How to use a Visa Debit Gift Card on Shein. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how to use a Visa Debit Gift Card on Shein to purchase any of the items you want. So we'll delve into the topic of whether a Visa Debit Gift Card can be used on Shein. Right now, I'm in the official webpage of the Shein. So you can also do that by opening your web browser and searching for Shein.com, and then you will land into their homepage. Now you can look out for anything you want to buy. Now let's say I want to buy this one-piece vintage punk metal spider skull pendant. I'll just click on this option, and then you can also choose the color, such as like it's given silver and antique silver. Then after it's silver as well. So there is a size, that's one size. You can go through it if you want. And now I'll add to this add to cart option over here. I want to buy it. So after you do this, simply go to this shopping bag icon over here. Click on it. And here you can see that I have listed a number of items to purchase. So I'll just click on this metal punk spider skull pendant and I'll proceed to check out. So I'm just going through the process randomly, and now this item has been added to my cart. As you can see, you have the option to pay using either the Visa or MasterCard. Simply, you can also use your gift card number over here and click on apply. And if you're using coupon code, you can enter your coupon code in this area and click on apply. All right, so you can see this payment security over here and the payment methods listed over here. So simply proceed to check out, where you can easily select your credit card as your payment method. And then you just need to enter the details of your gift card in the provided space. And that essentially covers the process. So this was all about how to use a Visa Debit Gift Card on Shein. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.